young thinking it's all over if I go out drinking. Oh, that's what I'm on slow. And if I don't fuck with the big ball, bro, got to maintain. Now, honey, like me, it's going insane. Insane is the name. I love what you're doing out here, Van City.
With Josh and Rachel with the Enhancer, I mean, this is a product that is off the hook. You know, if you got a small garden, a small room that you want to contain, this is it. I'm going to let them go ahead and talk about it. I know that I'm going to be bringing it to you guys on my channel, and we've been testing it with different tents and stuff. But when it comes to PPM levels and other stuff and how the product works, take her away.
Absolutely, yeah. So first off, it's all natural. It's super simple and easy to use. It's simply adding water and giving it a shake once a day. Let the bottle do the rest. The results are second to none. It's definitely one of the best all-natural CO2 products out there right now.
And what would the PPMs be registering at?
In like a 12 by 12 room, you're looking at 8 to 1200 ppm. We did a test in a 4 by 4 sealed room. We're hitting up to 5000 ppm. At that point, we had to vent the room, just worried that you know, something bad might happen.
I was going to say a little toxicity, maybe.
Exactly. Yeah, you betcha, man.
Right on. Okay, so it's an excellent problem. So you suggest this for 12 by 12 room, one bottle. How long does it last?
Lasts for 2 weeks, and actually 12 by 12 is what we suggest, but we got a lot of guys in bigger rooms, so I use 4, 5, 6 bottles, no problem. Smaller room, you're just putting that much more CO2, which plants love, so no worries.
So let's just say I bought this and I took it home. What exactly would I do? What would be the next step?
Next step is basically unscrew that lid, throw in a liter of warm water, give it a really good shake, place it above your plants. CO2 is heavier than air, so it'll naturally sink. If you have an osculating fan, perfect, throw that behind there. It'll just shower down over your plants. And if you do have a vented room, just be sure to place this as far away from the vent as possible.
Sweet, there it is, because those are a lot of the questions that really matter when it comes down to keeping your PPM levels up, but also being able to do it. This reminds me of the old school puck thing, only a lot, you know, the messy pucks we used to have to use.
That's right, man. Oh, I know all about them.
Yeah. So, I mean, now it's gone to the way where we got something. And mine, I got it hanging up actually in a stocking. It sounds funny, but a woman's stocking, but tie it up in the tent, and then you just shake it once in the morning.
There you go.
It's good to go. So, yeah, thanks again for coming on. And great product. Check it out, Green Planet. We carry it down there, Pacific Northwest Garden Supply. Where else could we find it, John?
Yeah, anywhere that Green Planet distributes. You're looking at all over Canada and the United States now. We're breaking into the UK, England, Spain. Really excited about the future of the Enhancer. You can expect to see it just about anywhere.
So all our friends over in Britain, keep your eyes open. We're coming, okay? I know you're all watching because a lot of our statistics show Britain. So the UK, keep your eyes open. Thanks again for coming on the show.
Thank you.
Enjoy the show.
A business is blossoming at a hydroponic shop in BC. Sales have been smoking hot ever since 2 U.S. states legalized marijuana. The company, called Green Planet, carries everything anyone would need to grow plants, any kind of plants, indoors. In Colorado, it is now legal to have 6 marijuana plants in a secure area.